Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a pop-up image effects in the background of a video on the CapCut mobile. So first you can just add your videos and then duplicate the part you want the image to pop up. So I'm going to make the image pop up in here. So I'm going to click on this part and duplicate. Okay, this one, and make one of these as overlay. Okay, so until it overlapping like this, click on the overlay and remove the background. So by using the remove bg and auto removal, just wait until the background is removed. Okay, so now the background is removed. You can just add the image. So here click on add overlay again and select the image that you want to add. So I'm going to just add, for example, this image right here. Click on add and remove the background of the image first. Okay, so after that, click on the, don't forget to adjust the duration. Okay, so click on the overlay image and find layer, then select, so just drag it like this until it behind the overlay, the first overlay, and I'm going to drag it in here. Now what you need to do is add a keyframe, one at the start, and move forward a bit, and then just drag the image until it show up like this. Okay, now in between the keyframes, go to grab and select the ease in 3, this one. Click on a check icon, and this is the result. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.